Welcome to AI Archwizard. Today I would like to talk about YOLO Mode in AI tools like Claude and Codex and also others. So, what is YOLO? YOLO, which stands for You Only Live Once, is a popular slang term and an acronym that encourages living life to the fullest and seizing opportunities without fear of regret. It often implies taking risks or pursuing dreams, as life is short and unpredictable. The phrase gained widespread popularity through social media and music, notably Drake's 2011 song The Motto. I took a look at this song and it has the word YOLO several times in it. So this is what is YOLO in general. Now let's take a look at usage of YOLO in AI tools. Here I have Claude, including Claude Code, Claude Cowork, and Claude Chat. And basically YOLO Mode is a setting for users who wants the AI agent or AI to operate with more autonomy and less confirmation. So here in Claude, you can see, you can pick, ask before acting. Claude pauses so you can approve each action, or you can do setting act without asking, and then Claude works without pausing for approval. Similarly, in Codex, here I have Codex. See, Codex. Similarly, there are similar settings here. The Codex can run commands in Sandbox and use auto review for elevated requests. Codex has full access over your computer, elevated risk. And in Codex there is default, where Codex automatically runs commands in a sandbox. So now let's take a look about some definitions. Previously, I have showed you how it looks like in Codex and in Claude. So here, let's ask, what is YOLO Mode in AI tools? YOLO Mode, which is short for You Only Live Once, is a full autonomy setting in AI coding agents and also agents that are controlling computer like Claude Cowork and Claude Chrome Extension. It allows AI to act with minimal or no human approval on actions like editing or creating files, running terminal commands, installing packages, debugging, and iterating. But also in Claude Chrome, it is automatically Claude Chrome Extension, allowing you to click on websites without asking you for permission. Why is it called YOLO? It's risky, but extremely productive. You live once, so you let the AI go full speed without babysitting every step. And here is how YOLO Mode works across different tools, AI tools. Cursor AI has YOLO Mode, which is auto-run. It is in settings, features, enable YOLO, high risk, best visual feedback, and easy rollback in the Cursor AI. In Claude Code, it's a dangerous mode. You start Claude by issuing in command line command Claude ---- dangerously skip permissions. Very high risk, and it is explicit and powerful. In OpenAI Codex, YOLO is called full-auto mode. You start Codex with Codex. You start Codex in command line by issuing command Codex space ---- YOLO or full access in settings. Risk level is high, often runs in Sandbox. Pros of YOLO mode: much faster workflow, no constant interruptions, great for complex multi-step tasks. AI can iterate, fix errors, and run tests on its own. It feels like having a real autonomous developer in case of Codex and Claude Code, but also it is controlling applications like in Claude Cowork or controlling web apps like in Claude Chrome Extension. Risks: you can delete or break files if the task is unclear. Many dangerous commands, like for example rm space -rf, force push, etc. There's higher chance of hallucinated or wrong changes. And of course, prompt injection risks exists if you are not using it carefully. So best practice is use it on well-scoped, isolated tasks. Of course, use a Git, version control, a Git, and backups. Start with safer modes, like before using full YOLO. Many professionals use it selectively. For example, only on feature branches, not on the main branches. In short, YOLO mode turns a helpful AI assistant into a highly autonomous AI engineer or AI worker, in case of Claude Cowork, which is powerful, fast, and a bit dangerous. It's one of the biggest productivity boosters in AI coding tools in 2026, but also in other productivity, like tools that are not only coding, but connecting to other programs or to browser. Here's another considerations: how to do it in Claude Code. You can see I already discussed it. This is the option, the flag, dangerously skip permissions. In Codex, there's high autonomy modes. And once again, here's some comparison between different tools. So many power users run all three tools and use YOLO selectively. Just for active sessions with visual control, so you are watching, or for heavy refactoring when they step away, or for asynchronous features like build this feature task. So for asynchronous tasks like build this feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and give a like to this video. Thank you.